Hey, welcome to this video. How to download music from YouTube as MP3 file. So all you gotta do is select your music, right? So let's say I want to download this music, or this song, excuse me. Now all you gotta do is get the link, right? So act as if you're gonna share it to someone, but instead you're gonna copy the link. Next, go ahead to your browser and search for Y2Mate. This website allows you to convert free YouTube, or allows you to convert YouTube videos to MP3 for free. So go ahead to the Y2Mate, paste the YouTube link, hit convert. All I gotta do is just wait. Okay. I'm gonna wait for a few moments until they convert my song. Now it's ready for download. Go ahead and download it. Right, back. This is an ad, sorry. Now hit download. Basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the